So tell me about yourself.
I am 34. I enjoy cooking, talking, collecting historical action figures. I'm a movie producer and director. You know, just your typical guy doing typical things.
Like what? Plus, what in the world are historical action figures anyways?
What, you don't know what historical action figures are? They are amazing characters from old movies since the early 1700s to the early 2000s. Exciting, right?
Actually no, but anyways, where do you? Are you a stable man or something? What does your future consist of?
Well, I stay in the house I grew up in. I'm waiting for my mom to get old so that way I don't have to do any chores. So pretty much I'm very stable. I have a very bright future for you.
Seriously, your mum? You've got to be kidding me. Well, anywho. You did say you're a movie maker, right? What kinds of movies do you make?
The usual stuff. I earn a lot of cash. I edit sets from Star Wars to make my own. And make documentaries of the kids in my neighborhood. I usually sell the kid movies faster.
Okay, this is stupid. You're a perv and I'm going home. You don't even look like your profile pic either. You're pathetic. Just a waste of time. Oh yeah, your friends buy it 'tis they're pervs.
So does that mean we're not having sex tonight? I really need to get laid by a real woman and not some horny high schooler.